Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Wednesday laid the foundation for Chenanggre Stadium at Adokgre in North Garo Hills. The stadium is being constructed at a cost of rupees 6.24 crores and is expected to be completed by December 2022. Speaking at the foundation laying ceremony, Chief Minister said that the stadium will encourage sports talents of Garo Hills. He also informed the gathering that Adokgre holds special significance to him, as his late father, P.A. Sangma, would always start his election campaign from this place. He also stated that his father won every election he contested and had named Adokgre as Chenanggre, which means land of victory. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the Chenanggre Stadium will be one of the biggest stadiums in the entire North Garo Hills and will give an opportunity for the youth to partake in sporting events. He said that it has been the endeavour of MDA government to improve the sporting facilities and invest in the potential of the youth. He lauded efforts of the local MLAs for working with concerted efforts in ensuring that development reaches every nook and corner of the state. Speaking at the foundation laying ceremony of the historic Chenanggre Stadium, MLA of Karkuta, Rupert Momin, lauded the effort of the government in putting its trust to improve the overall development scenario in Garo Hills. He said that the MDA government, under the leadership of Conrad Sangma, will take Meghalaya to greater heights.
Shri Rupert Momin, Chenanggre ni kaman sebang na akan at sini pakapasak sa na sebang na kalapso Chenanggre ko imong ko at sini pakapa jati pakapa PA Sangma sabi Chenanggre ko mengedo na ay dat sini pakapa yan history ko masinge. 근데 마치 자담배랑 저처럼 또 이사람 하이다 yan history ko masija 이게. PA Sangma sagi mini election campaign ko 방난 약혼이 Adokgre bias chata 방난 election 장악이야. Aro bini speech biar public na talak naman. Adokgre niya nga ang election campaign ko apat sinode ang simaya che simaya unigapan ang nade Adokgre de Chenanggre sa